I don't know about you, but I'm ready for the fall. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a fall inspired makeup tutorial, and I'm so excited because I cannot wait for fall season to come around. I'm going to be jumping back into the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. I did a tutorial on this palette in my last video and a lot of you guys seem to like it, so thank you so much. Today I took a look at the palette and I thought that you could literally do so much, and I'm kind of in a fall mood, so I wanted to do like a fall makeup look using the palette. So when I think of fall, I think of like warm tones, burgundies, golds, greens, like just deeper tones, warm tones, and so I thought this would be actually quite perfect. Oh, sorry, you can see my ring light. I thought this palette would be actually quite perfect for a fall makeup look. It's really nice for summer and spring, but it's also really nice to transition into fall, and that, my friends, is what I'm trying to do here on this channel. So I have my mirrors right here, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting by taking my Morphe Eyelid Primer. I swear by this, you guys, and look, I mean, I don't know if you could even tell, but it's like literally gone. I'm running so low on this primer. I kind of just take a little bit on my finger and just kind of run it over my lid area. I've already done my eyebrows as well, so I mean, per usual, honestly. This is my second coffee of the day, and it's delicious. Okay, I'm picturing like a nice warm crease, so I'm actually gonna start and jump in with the shade, oops, 1985 right here, and then I'm probably gonna dip into Mr. Diva right after. I'm not kidding you guys when I say that I've actually been quite obsessed with using this palette nearly every day. I'm just using a fluffy brush. This one is from a brush set from Morphe. I believe it's called like I Slay or something like that. I'm just using this just to diffuse this color all throughout my crease. I'm busy. Oh, it's my sister. Maybe I should answer. Hello?
Hi.
Oh my goodness. All of a sudden, everyone's texting me all of a sudden. So next I'm going to go ahead and jump into Mr. Diva, and then I'm going to focus this sort of like right on the outer portion of my crease right here, and then start blending it upward into that other color that we've just placed down. I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just help diffuse these edges a little bit more so they are nice and smooth and we have no harsh lines. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this Jaclyn Hill brush. This is the JH37. It's like a nice small tiny round blending brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Boss Angeles, which is a sort of deeper tone right there. Pack onto my outer V of my eye. And you want to make sure that you focus it really, I'm going to kind of come in a little bit, really close to that lash line. And then you can go ahead and diffuse it out. That is the best way to deposit an outer corner shadow, is really tight to your lash line and then blend it upward and outward. It just makes sure that it's nice and diffused. It's to ensure that you have color placement everywhere. So for my lid color today, I'm going to jump into Drive Through, which is this really pretty kind of deep mossy olive green color. So pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. It's really pretty. I just can't wait to darken this outer V here, and that's really going to tie together the look. What I'm also going to do is just spray my brush and add just a touch more of that shadow, just because I want it to have a really intense high shine. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Hi Dude, which is this dark brown down here. Oh my god, I almost dropped the palette. I'm going to take a very precise brush. This is the JH40 brush. It's a very, very tiny blending brush. Now with this, I'm going to focus this, again, just right on that outer, that lower lash line there. Right here, and then kind of diffuse it into that outer crease there. I switched brushes. I'm going a little bit bigger, the M433, sorry, from Morphe. And what I'm doing is I'm tapping the color on. And then I'm going to go ahead and just take my brush and lightly diffuse it. And I'm using very light pressure on my brush handle with this technique because I want the color to build and to blend. And then I'm going to go ahead and take 1985 on my other fluffy brush and just use this to help diffuse these lines right here. We are starting to look fall, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, I must say, this brown is not my favorite. I feel like it's getting a little patchy. So, I'm going to take my favorite brown of all time, which is, here she is. This is Fudge by Anastasia, a single shadow. Such a pretty, pretty brown. And I'm just going to layer her right over this other brown that I've just placed. Oh yeah, oh my god, the difference that one little brown shade made. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna go back into 1985 and just again blend these edges out. I'm going to just clean up right under my eye because I have some fallout. And then I'm also going to kind of sharpen the edge of my shadow right here. So just like that. And one more. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Lynn, which is just this nice base color. And I'm going to use this to pop on under my brow bone. And this will also kind of help to blend the edges of these shadows right here as well. Okay, great. So this is how we are looking so far. So really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes and do the rest of my skin. And then we will come back to finish off the eyes. Alright, so obviously within the past few seconds I've changed quite a bit. I popped on a lash, I did my foundation, concealer, contour, bronzer, blush, highlight, and a lip. So now all there's left to do to complete this fall makeup look is to smoke out my lower lash line. So let's get started. I'm just going to use the same colors that I did up in my crease, and I'm going to be taking, I'm actually just going to start with Mr. Diva right here. And I'm going to pop that on a little pencil brush. Just pop her on my lower lash line. And I'm focusing most of the color on the outer corner of my lower lash because I want that to be where it looks the smokiest. And it's going to look a little more sultry and kind of tie in with the smokier outer corner. And then whatever is left, I'll kind of softly diffuse it into my inner waterline, or inner lash line. Okay, so once we've done that, I'm going to dip into Boss Angeles, which is this one right here. And I'm going to do the same technique, just kind of focus it on the very outer corner. This time a little bit closer to the lash line. I'm not going to bring it as far down as I did with that Mr. Diva shade. And then go ahead and bring her in. Okay, for the finishing touch, I'm going to dip into the Anastasia Fudge eyeshadow on a flat definer brush, and I'm just going to push this up against my lower lashes. I'm literally just like stamping it on. And then I'll go back in with my pencil brush, no product, and just get really close to that edge and just kind of blend it out. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade Designer Label and pop this on my inner corner for a highlight, just right here. Cute little pop. Just to really finish off the look, what am I without my NYX Wonder Pencil? You guys already know I use this in literally all of my tutorials, and I just pop her in my waterline. I got eyeshadow on my under eye. Okay, we're okay. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. I actually really like how it came out. This is giving me like super major fall vibes. Also, in case you're wondering what my lip combo is, it is the Morphe lip liner in the shade Makeup Talk and the Morphe lip crayon in the shade MCM. Those are my two favorite for like a cool tone lip. I love a cool tone lip with a warm eye. It's really cool. Alright, you guys. So that is it for this tutorial. Please let me know in the comments down below what other videos you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That little red button is right down there. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see everything I'm doing outside of here on YouTube. And yeah, so that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!